Boys are moving, yo. The boys are moving today. Get them going, yo. They're fired, bro. They're fired. I'm fired. Yeah, so I hit like one body part a week, yo, but I go crazy. But I've been fucking with it. It's kind of smooth, yo. I need to be more structured in my workouts anyway. Sometimes I just come in here and just hit whatever I feel like. Yo, you got an ibuprofen? Nah? Fuck, I got a headache. You ever take like 2 Ivastim of a pre-workout and your head just starts to fucking pound? What's up, Dre? You want to get some sets in? Yeah. Get up there, yo.
You starting a fucking channel?
Starting, it's been started, yo.
Bro, that's fucking awesome.
Dre, we've been on this for a couple years, yo.
Dude.
Look at the height comparison.
Dude, this kid's fucking huge, bro. I always think I'm big, and then this guy comes in, dude. I feel like a fucking midget, dude.
No, you lift so much more than me, it's insane.
Dre, I'm telling I just don't think you know your own strength, fam.
Dude, I know my own strength.
Nah, man.
Look at you. You got a pump cover on, first of all. I don't.
Dre.
Big fucking difference.
We're wearing the same size shirt, dude, but you're actually filling yours out.
That's just the weight speaking.
The weight, yo, yeah, this kid's fucking moving more weight than me. See him get on there, yo, big Dre. This kid's a fucking animal. Big rugby guy, though.
Looks like it.
Look at this fucker, yo. Holy shit. Kid's a fucking weapon, eh? This kid's a weapon, huh? Jesus Christ. Dre, man, I've never seen a big man move so nimble in my life. Deezy lifts. D-E-E-Z-Y lifts. Run it, bro, I'm telling you. We got fire content. No, none of that OnlyFans shit, but yeah, we got some fire stuff. None of that OF shit, yo. Unless they want it. Look at him now, this fucking guy. Bro, my headache is blitzing right now. Ibuprofen by any chance? Some Advil or something?
I usually have giant bottle. I don't have it with me.
My head is fucking pounding. Fuck it. Oh. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna do much for me there, yo. I'll just tough it out. Put my head through a wall, maybe it'll feel better. I love the ROM. It's a good ROM. Kid's a house, no?
Huh?
So this kid's a house, no?
Fucking yeah, he is.
You ever thought about going in?
Going what? Military?
Yeah, yo.
Nah, I'm like a fucking tank.
You'd be a fucking bruiser, yo. Dude, you'd be a fucking bruiser, dude. Dude, you'd be running the 50, dude. Feels good. Shoulders are fucking. They're out of line. You feel that shit. Yeah. Like I feel like when I get a massage, like when I lay flat, if somebody pushed like real hard into my shoulder blades, they crack. You know what I mean? I feel like it'd feel like really good though. Be like a good crack. I gained like 7 pounds last week. I went from like 246 to like 253 in a matter of a week. Like morning weight. If I get a full day of eating in, I'm like 257, 258. But I've been taking this fiber stuff too, so I've been shitting my pants every morning. It's been helping out a lot. Huh? It's wicked important. More than I realized, honestly. Your digestion's a massive part. Because if you don't digest well, your food's just gonna sit. You're not gonna be able to eat as much. You're gonna be bloated, you're not gonna feel good. So rip that. I honestly do like a scoop of that every night before bed with some mass gainer. Wake up in the morning, it just flushes you out, dude. You feel so good. And you're hungry. Wicked hungry. I wake up starving. So it's always good. Greens too, if you wanna take greens. I don't really eat vegetables ever, to be honest. So I just eat that. I feel like, yeah, there's a lot of good like nutrients in vegetables. It doesn't taste good, so it's not like, not my thing. Maybe I'll pay for it in the end, but I'll deal with that when it's time. So my coach, it's also my boss, he met Dorian Yates this weekend and he was just talking to him or whatever, just trying to pick up game. And I think this is pretty like commonly known now than it was back then. But like your pull downs, for example, everybody says you want a wide pack, do like wide grip. But if you look at it from a range of motion standpoint, here, there's a way shorter range of motion than here, where you're actually getting a stretch in your full lat. And as you come up, your whole lat is expanding out. And you come down, you contract. That lat's getting squeezed that whole time. And it has to be underhand. It has to be underhand, because even if you go over top, you're not feeling it as much as you would as if you rip the unders. So we're trying to focus a little bit more with that, with this. I only got 3 sets here. So those 3 sets have to be like, yeah, heavy, good sets. Not a lot of rest. But I like it. I'm not used to hitting shit once a week, but it gives me time to beat the fuck out of it. Just absolutely beat the fuck out of whatever I'm training. And then by the time I get to it next week, I'm fresh. What do I got? T-bar rows. Hey! There it is. Garrett's a tank, yo. There's any time to fucking focus up, bro. It's right now. We're going into a time of year where it's gonna start, you know, school's about to start again for a lot of people. A lot of that seasonal depression shit happens for a lot of people. I look forward to the fall, the winter, dark around 4 o'clock. Kinda, it's just more gritty. Kind of puts your head in a better mind space. Want to get shit done. But in all reality, like, your mind has to be like that even in the summer when everybody's having fun. Everyone's out partying, doing this and that, which is cool, bro. Like, you gotta enjoy too. But I'm saying, like, if you really want to take it to that next level, you gotta like really lock in. There's a lot of people, I've been working at this gym for 6 years. People go hard from September to May. And then from May, June, July, August, they fuck off because it's summer. They don't think they have to train as hard or work as hard. Go out and have fun. Train your ass off first. Get the shit done first. But this is the time of year, bro. Like shit gets gritty, it gets cold, it's fucking snowy, it's just gross. Everything about it is just fucking gross. You gotta drop your nuts and you just gotta fucking go. Stand on it like a man. Big Dre's going crazy. You gotta stand on it like a man and just get it done. Nobody's gonna save you. I love a lot of people. But just because I love them don't mean I'm gonna save them. And a lot of people love me. That don't mean they're gonna come save my ass either. Because deadlifting right now sounds fucking brutal, I'm not gonna lie to you. I hit legs yesterday and it was rough. So yeah, maybe we'll just go to the basement, hit some rack pulls, different scenery. See if there's any birds down there. Probably not.
Go, D!
There we go. There we go.
Come to me, come on!
Big Dre's coming. He's gonna get me going now. There he is, yo. There he is. We're going, Dre. We're going. Your turn. Your turn. Let me see some. Your turn. There he goes. Lock in, Dre. This kid's got the whole stack, I bet you. He's fucked. He is a fucked up cat. You're a fucked up cat, Dre. You're a fucked up cat. You basically took the whole stack for a ride, yo.
40 pounds plus.
I think you got that extra 40 pounds, yo. Good. That's what you need, yo. If you're not fucking yakking or shit in your pants mid-workout, you're not training hard enough. Know what I mean? If you're not yakking or shitting, yo, or both. Gotta be both, yo. How those reps look? Clean? Virgin. That was mean. That was fucking mean. Feels like my brain's gonna fucking explode through my head. Oh, fuck. Going up? Yeah.
Look at you. Holy fuck those traps.
Trying to get there, yo.
What are you trying to get there? You're there.
Until I'm on stage next to the best of the best, yo, I ain't there yet, Dre. Know what I mean?
Fucking are one of the best of the best.
One day.
Oh, right now.
Fucking love this guy, yo. He's getting me fired up from my lifts right now. See, Dre, now I'm about to go crazy for you, fam.
It's about to go insane. It's about to move like a hot knife through butter.
Hot knife through fucking butter cakes, yo. Fresh cakes off the bakery. He's got me lit, yo. So yeah, I gotta go now. If Dre's telling me I gotta go, then I gotta go. It's the only way. Fuck. Fuck. Come on, last one. When life gives you lemons, you make a Glock 43 with a switch and a green beam with a custom cut slide so you can put an optic on it. The stock Glocks don't have that. So you gotta get a special cut slide for your Glock 43 with the switch. I'm just kidding, yo. I'm just kidding. I'm just fucking around, yo. I'm just joking. Kind of. Legs, back, shoulders and traps, and arms. So I train Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, rest. Thursday, train Friday, Saturday, rest Sunday. I'm going back to yoga on Sunday. They got a class at like 7:30 at night. I don't got shit to do on fucking Sundays anyway, after work, so I mean, might as well do that. Get some cardio. Something's gotta give, though. Fuck. I'm just trying to bodybuild and fucking train and get huge with my friends and get fucking absolutely astronomically wealthy with my boys. But these fucking incels wanna be like get in the way of that. So that's just when we kick in their front door and take it ourselves, yo. Yay! But everybody's soft nowadays, yo. Fucking back in the day, they were fucking dumping tea and rioting for 3% tax, yo. Now we're getting taxed like fucking 50% of everything. And you got motherfuckers with their thumb in their ass, yo, thinking that it's like fucking fine and dandy. That's the craziest shit I've ever seen in my life, bro. If I was the president, every young man would be on testosterone, bro, by the time they're fucking 18, dude, I swear. They got low T anyway, dudes act like fucking girls. Sensitive and shit. Fuck, it's a good set. Good set. Put my head through a wall. I'm about to in a minute. Fuck. Oh, I might as well just stay strapped right here. No point of going nowhere. Got 5 more sets. 30 seconds in between.
Full stack.
With the full stack, yeah. This isn't that heavy though. Hey! Yeah! It's the real Alex Benedict! There he goes, yo. He's lit now. He's lit. What do you got, yo? Little arms, yo? Oh, fuck. Three more. At least 3 more. Fucking hey. I love watching couples at the gym just fucking make out with each other. So hot. Gets me going. Think I should ask them to join?
Yeah.
Think they'd be down?
You asked Mike.
Let me get your lips, baby. Ask them like that?
Yeah, him.
Fuck. Alright, I gotta get up for a minute. I'll get some posing in a minute after this set. I'll get some posing going right here. I mean, I'm already here. I might as well give a show, right?
Yeah.
I'm already here. Might as well. Not gonna make me uncomfortable in my crib, so everybody else in here is gonna be uncomfortable. That's how it goes, yo. If I'm uncomfortable, so is everybody else. It's the only way to be, no? I mean? All right, man, so just finished up the workout. I'm fucking beat. Absolutely killed the back. Really good workout. Again, doing handy rambods, fucking FST7. New program for me. Hit everything once a week. Just really hit it hard. Give myself a lot more time to recover, get some more food in. Really just utilizing a lot of rest. This is my last bulk cycle before I go into my prep, so trying to keep the body fat minimal. You know, just try to get as big as I can, as clean as I can, you know, in the next 16 weeks or so. So keep it rolling, keep it all updated. I'll catch y'all next time.